Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. So today we are making pancakes, and these pancakes are gluten-free, dairy-free, and filled with benefits. So who's excited? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. So these pancakes are made with buckwheat, and buckwheat is a really nice grain to bake with. It's gluten-free, despite the name, and filled with amazing benefits. So what we'll do is that we will have all the dry ingredients first, and then we will have all the liquid ones after. So we will have 90 grams of buckwheat, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So just mix that up a little bit. And what we'll do now is that we will have all the liquid ones. So we will have coconut milk, 1/2 cup of that. And we'll have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of organic maple syrup. So now we will combine these two. And what we'll do is that we will make a little hole in the middle of the bowl. Then we will just add our liquid, and now we'll start mixing these. So as you can see now, everything is quite thick. See? So now we'll fry them. Come on over. Okay. Hello. So what we'll do now is that we will have a really nice pancake pan, and we'll have it on medium heat. We will add a little bit of coconut oil. One. And to make them really puffy and fluffy and nice, put a lid on.